Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Anjum Sheikh and welcome back to another video. This video is going to be very exciting because yes, we have a new room. As you guys can see, this is the door for the new room, and now in this video we are just going to do a makeover for the new room. So yes, I am very excited for this video. I hope you guys will be excited for this video also. So yes, without wasting any further ado, let's just start today's vlog. This video is very kindly sponsored by Skillshare, but more about them in the further part of the video. So yes guys, this is the current situation of the room. As you guys can see, the walls are just done. We are making this a new room. Before this room, here we were parking our cars. If you have seen my earlier vlogs, you have probably seen that. But now we are changing the parking to a new room. So yes, we are doing that now. So yeah, let's get started. And I'm going nowhere fast. Behind these closed eyes, I visualize what will come and what is past. Mama, turn the light on. Mama, stir me from my sleep. I've been sleeping too long. I've been dreaming too long. I just wanna lie here, but I don't wanna die here. So I'm gonna take my best shot. So it's the day 2. We are doing the same thing today also. So yeah, let's just start with the day 2. I found a little piece of homestead. Sleep. Awake or asleep. And so I say goodbye to the shadows as morning breaks to noon. Another day I'm living, another song I'm singing, and I know Oh my god. This is how you look when you decide to paint your room on your own. Oh my god. I'm looking horrible. Shit. And by the way, it's around 2:15 a.m. in the night, and as you can see, I'm still doing this. And yeah, we'll do this for more half an hour, and we're done for the day then. And when I wake, you will see that even as I lie here, thinking where I'll be in 5 years, I know today is all I ever got. I know today will be my best shot, sitting on the edge of my bed. So yes guys, pretty much done with everything that I thought I will do today. It's around 3:30 in the night. I need to just go take a bath first, then only I can sleep. And almost the entire room is very dusty. I think I will also clean that before I go to sleep, because if I don't then it will be just a nightmare. So yeah, I think I will clean that before I go to sleep. Yes, by far everything is done. So as you can see here, I have painted everything white, and I think tomorrow we will be done with all the painting. Tomorrow we'll do the last and final painting. Let's see what color we are going to choose, but yeah, the primary color is done, and I think tomorrow everything will be done and we will finally have our room to ourselves. Oh my god, finally guys. So yes guys, I just took a bath now, and as you guys can see, I am much more clean now. So I am clean, but now I need to clean my desk. So that's the next thing that I am to do now, because if I just sleep with this messy desk with all the dust on it, when I will get up tomorrow morning to study, I will be demotivated just by seeing the desk. So yeah, I will be cleaning my desk now, and yeah, I'll just clean that and I'll go to sleep. I'll see you guys tomorrow when we will start painting. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. So this is something that I was talking about. As you guys can see, the entire desk is so cluttered, and apart from this, the entire desk is so dusty, as you can see here. So now I think I just need to clean the desk, because if I sleep with this messy desk tomorrow, it will be very difficult for me to get the motivation to study. So yeah, I think now I'm just going to clean that. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone So hey guys, it's day 4. It's the day when we are doing the final painting of the room, and yes, this is the color that I have chosen for the room because I think this color will help the room to look much more brighter. So I thought this will be the perfect color and it will also look good in the background. So yeah, this is the final color that we are going to do for the room. Let's see how it will turn out to be at the end.
She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa.
So yes guys, this is the final look of the room. As you guys can see, it is looking so good. I am loving this.
Goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
So I'm not going to bring my huge green one study table in this room because it is set in that space and I kind of love that study table in that space only. But I had this spare study table in another room. I thought I can just keep it here. So whenever I feel like studying in my room, I can also do that.
You say that I go out.
So now it's time to add some miscellaneous things to the room. As you can see, we are going to have this mirror on this wall. And around this mirror we are going to add some greenery. This was the greenery that I was talking about. This is a grass mat that we can stick up on the wall, and we are just going to stick this on the wall around the mirror. I think this will look damn good.
Somebody told me that you think I'm trying to make you jealous, jealous. I do better things with my time than trying to make you jealous, jealous. Why can't we move on with our life? Not trying to make you jealous, jealous.
So yes guys, this is how the mirror turned out to be. Oh my god, I loved this. And yes, now I just came out to buy a few plants for the room. So yeah, let's just take these plants and then go home.
But I'm home alone and in my bed and sleeping with someone new. Ooh,
So I just bought 3 real plants for the room, and apart from that I also bought this one artificial plant that I can keep on my desk because I always wanted to have a plant on my desk. So yes, now I have that.
if I can't live without
So today morning I received 2 parcels from Amazon. I ordered few things from Amazon. So yeah, I received it. So now let's see what I have ordered.
this. I do better things with my time than trying to make you jealous, jealous. Why can't we move on with our life? Not trying to make you jealous, jealous. Not trying to make you jealous. I do better things with.
So I ordered these 2 candle holders. You just have to keep the candle inside it and it looks damn good. And apart from this, I ordered these 3 shelves that I want to hang up on the wall. So now I will just hang up the shelves on the wall.
I called my mom. No, nothing's wrong. I just wanna talk.
So now as I have the shelves in the place, as you can see here, now I will just go bring some trophies from the hall and we'll just keep it here. So it will be a nice background for the videos also and it will also look good. So yeah, now I'll just bring that. So I have this trophy shelf in my living room and I thought I can just take a few trophies from here that are really close to my heart and I can keep them in my room. So yes, now I'll just take few trophies from here and we'll keep it in our room.
Yeah, I've got love more than enough, but is it too much? I don't wanna spread too thin, breaking my back to keep too many friends. I need them to need me around, to be an audience for my breakdowns. 'Cause I don't wanna be the center of the universe.
And these are also some of the candle holders that I'm going to keep in these shelves. So yes guys, I'm done with this now, and this is how it looks. Oh my god, I am loving this. So yeah, this is it. I'll just show you a quick close-up of this now. Guys, so I just want to take a moment and talk to you all about the sponsor of today's video. This video is very kindly sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community that provides you with thousands of creative classes for various topics. So there is a list of topics on the platform, and you can just choose which topic you want to learn and have a lesson on. I am using Skillshare for past 1 month, and I am totally loving the experience of myself on that platform, because yes, the classes there are very informative, and one of the best things about Skillshare is that the platform does not have ads, so you cannot get interrupted when you are attending a class. And I thought this was one of the best things, and that's the reason that I am enjoying Skillshare a lot. And on Skillshare you can learn various skills, and that will help you apart from studies. And this is one of the best thing that I am loving apart from studies, that yes, I am learning new skills, and Skillshare is really helping me in that. So currently I am planning to take this class by Ali Abdal, that is productivity masterclass. And yes, this class is also then divided into smaller videos, so I can just watch them whenever I have time. So the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click on the link in the description box below will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership. And after this, if you are interested to buy the premium membership of Skillshare, it is less than $10 per month if you buy annual subscription. I thought this is a pretty reasonable price if you want to learn new skills, and Skillshare is a really great platform for this. So yes guys, this was it about Skillshare.
I'd settle for Jupiter.
So I took out printouts of few images from Pinterest, and I thought it will look really good on the wall. So I thought let's try it out. So now I'm just taking those prints on the wall, and let's see how it will turn out to be.
For some perspective on the universe. Did you know a supernova only glows after it explodes? That's a fact I hold on to when panic attacks. Cause I don't wanna spread too thin, breaking my back to keep too many friends. I give myself the space that I need.
So as you guys know, this is my study desk, and I thought I am not going to change the position of my study desk because it is very nicely placed here, and I don't want to change the position of this. So I am not going to take my study desk into my new room. So now let's just move forward to our new room. So this is the door to our room, and as we open this, we can see a very beautiful room. This is our room, guys. So here we have a hanger to just hang all my clothes on, and aside that we have these three shelves, and on these shelves currently I am keeping my trophies. Maybe we can change that later. And below here I have this real plant. I always wanted to have plants in my room, so yeah, that is for that. And after that, here we have some printouts of some images just to give it an aesthetic look. I also have like these on above my desk. As you have seen that this is my sister's bed and that is mine. Me and my sister both are sharing this room, so that's why this is a small clock just to know the time. And here we have a very small whiteboard. This is also a desk that can be used on when I'm sitting on my bed. After that I have my desk here. This is an foldable desk, and I can just fold it and keep it aside when it's not using. So the artificial plant that I got and I'm just having a piggy bank here now because I want to save money. And now this is the candle holder that I was talking about. This is very very good. After that, I have few books lying around, and here I just have this stool so I can just keep few miscellaneous things about that. And after that, some more printouts, as you can see here and also here. Now let's move forward to my absolute favorite part of the bedroom. This is the best corner, and as you guys can see here I have another plant, and just aside that plant I have this huge mirror, and the mirror is surrounded by this wallpaper, and this look gorgeous, and you can also see me in the mirror. So yeah, moving forward, after this I have this very beautiful plant down here, and yeah, this looks very good. And yes, this is the look of the room at night when all the candles are on. And as you guys can see, this also looks really beautiful. And I was talking about these candles, these are the best, I think. So yes guys, this was the final room tour video, and yeah, now the room is finally done and I'm totally loving this. So yes, you can also let me know what was the best part that you think was really good. I will be very happy to know all your responses, because yes, this is our effort and I am very happy with all the results that I am getting. So yes, this was it about this video. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, you know, as usual, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye.